What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. You guys, we are about to head into Dollar Tree. Yes, another location before they close. I think this one closes at 9. Yep, closes at 9. So hopefully we'll find some new items in here, because earlier I took you guys to Dollar Tree, so I'm really hoping we're gonna find some cute things in here too. They're gonna be closing kind of soon, so I'm gonna cram as much as I can into this video, and I might have time to do another one. But look at these, you guys. These are brand new. These are block storage cases, basically Lego storage cases. They're really, really cute, and they're compatible with Legos. And then we have these super cute fishing fun games where you wind it up. It looks like it just comes with one fishing pole, but these are so cute for $1. We also have them in blue. And then we also have these foam putties. You guys know slimes and all that stuff have been making a huge comeback on TikTok. Thanks specifically to TikTok. I know slime and everything was kind of dying off for a while, but once again, they are back trending. But look, you guys, oh my gosh, we have Gildan collared shirts. If you need a work shirt, we have Gildan collared shirts. This is a really nice quality ladies polo. We have the American Apparel kids tees. It looks like we have some other Gildan tees down there that have collars. This is actually a Gildan performance shirt, which means it's sort of like a dry fit material. And they're saying that it's ladies as well. This is a ladies 3XL. So yes, we have plus sizes here in Dollar Tree. If you're looking for plus sizes, we have even more, a different gray. We have an extra large ladies polo. Really, really nice quality. If you're into polos, we have a neon sort of yellow, super, super bright and cute. Again, also ladies. I showed you guys the blue. We have the orange. Wow. We have some really nice quality shirts if you're into polo shirts. We also have some Gildan, what are they calling these? Ring spun tees in purple. Basically all ladies tees this week. We even have a nice burgundy. Wow, you guys. This is another American Apparel tee for kids. It's a nice green. I think Gator might like this. It's a kids t-shirt, size 12. Nice quality. I really like the American Apparel brand. Okay, you guys, we're just gonna keep it moving. Oh, look, these are new. The shaker bottles, these are brand new. They're BPA free. We also have them in clear, and there's like a little shaker ball in there. Here's the announcement. 20 minutes until they lock the doors. Look at these, you guys. You can throw the ball for your dog. It kind of has some give. We have blue, yellow, and pink. They're calling these ball launchers. If I had a dog that loved to play ball, I would definitely be getting one of those. We have the $1 cat litter boxes. Now I'm gonna get one of these, but not as a cat litter box. I'm gonna get one of these just as an organizational bin, because I have an idea in mind. You guys know I'm always having ideas for these containers. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Sponges. Okay, we're just gonna discover, yes, struggle cart, yes. I have a struggle cart. We're gonna discover some more things together. But oh no, you guys, I'm actually getting a call. Okay, I'm gonna have to take my call and get right back on my video. These came out last week, the fuzzy scrunchies, the cute little claw clips. One of my other locations had a big display in the front of the store. All these butterfly ones are new this week. The little animal print ones are new. These little brushes are back. These little brushes. Let's see if we have anything new behind me. really think we have anything new over there. My other location had even more Power Stick shampoos and conditioners. I think this is brand new. Arthritis and Muscle Pain Relief Cream by Sheffield Pharmaceuticals. Comparing to the active ingredients in Zostrix. This is definitely brand new this week. It was out of place. Just figured I would mention it to anyone that has arthritis or muscle pain. We do have options here at Dollar Tree to help us, which is always nice to know. And you know, it's just $1, so if you try it and you like it, you just save yourself a lot of money. Do you guys remember when I was showing all the onesies? I still can't believe those were here. All of the baby onesies. Baby wash from a new brand. Little cups. Little teethers. Oh, little teethers. We have made it to the makeup aisle. Ooh, these are still here. The brightening blocks. The various cushions by Wet n Wild. You guys know those go for $5. The hard candy liquid eyeliner in Black to Glamour. I never saw this one before. This is a liquid eyeliner. I have never seen this one before. The only other one I've seen before is the rose gold. Let's see if we have anything else new. Of course, these are still here. All of the Wet n Wild liquid cat suits. We also have the You Glow Girl liquid highlighters here. More liquid highlighters by Wet n Wild. Really nice. Down here we have slippers. Oh, that's cute. Daydreamer. That's definitely new. That's really, really cute too. We have leather belts.
12 minutes. I repeat, 12 minutes until the start of the door. Please bring any items you have.
They are super into their announcements in this location. Look at these. These are cute. These are definitely new as well. Drink local. Those are new. Drink local. These are also new. This is my wedding planning glass. And then we have some pretty ones up here. We have the Purple Passion Hydros. This is my first time seeing this one. I've been seeing some of the other flavors, and I tried a hydro, the white one, and I really hated it. But my husband liked it, but I hated it. The sugar-free one, the zero sugar, this one right here, I hated it. It was really bad. But we also have Tropical Thunder. And then this one looks new. What's this? Caffeine water, caffeinated water. They're calling it Caffeine, Energize and Hydrate. That's also new. Do we have any new drink mixes? This one's really good. I like that. You guys know I love this one. I want to go down the decor aisle for you guys really quick. Let's see if we have anything new. Yes, you guys, I have my work bag in here with me because I live an hour from home and I had to bring my computer with me today. So I have it in here with me. Okay, anything new? Stay meowgical. Meow. I love you purry much. I found the glitter glue in my other location. I got some of that. Ooh, the washi tape. I think these are new. These are definitely new, you guys, look. So cute. Sunnies. Oh my gosh, the cats are adorable. Look at those cats. Watermelons. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at these. So cute. Look at the little watermelon face. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow. This location has a lot of washi. That is so dang cute. I love that one. Oh my gosh. Popsicles. Oh my gosh, and more stickers. These are really, really cute. I feel like every week I've been seeing a little bit more. A few more stickers here, a few more stickers there. We've seen some of these other ones a couple weeks ago, but they're just adding a little bit more here and there every week. I'm still here on the toy aisle, and they're still leaving their and making their big announcements about that they're closing and how their registers will, I guess, shut down at a particular time. I don't know. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to be out of here. These are so cute. I'm about to be out of here. I wish I would have came to this location earlier, but I didn't. So yeah, I was glad to show you the things that I did show you. I hope you guys find lots of great deals in Dollar Tree this week. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.